Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it cute? It's this little girl going out playing with her butterflies. So sweet. So let me show you the stamp set. Catching Butterflies. It's a celebration freebie and we're basically using the butterflies and sentiments, a lot of it. And I've got the whole little scene set up in my Stamparatus and we're going to Stampin Memento ink because we want to colour these in using the Stampin Blend alcohol markers. So ink that up, take this down, give it a good press. We want it to really take. Obviously I didn't ink very well, but that's what the Stamparatus is here for. We can stamp again. There we go. So I'm going to colour this in, as I said, using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. I've used a few different ones. I'll tell you what I've used. I've used Poppy, the main ones I've used is Poppy Parade, Granny Apple Green, and then I used a bit of Balmy Blue here, and a bit of Pumpkin Pie and Daffodil Delight for this, and Basic Black for her hair, and then Ivory for her face. So I'm going to do all this colouring and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so our little girl is all coloured in now, so we're going to assemble the card. So our card base is Granny Apple Green, so that's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece of this glorious designer series paper here, and this is the Sunshine and Rainbows, and this measures 14.35 times 10 centimeters. But all these measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and that's linked to below in the description box. It's also alongside all my social media links, and that includes a link to my Facebook group where I run a monthly online card club, and we also do challenges and share our projects and all sorts of fun stuff, so do come and check that out as well. So let's stick all of that down like that, and then the insert here, I've cut out two pieces of this designer series paper, and this was just the scraps that were left over from cutting the top. And all I'm going to do is just put one at the top and one at the bottom, so it just matches the front. I'm just going to line this up in the corner, try to keep things straight like that, and then we're just going to put this on the inside of our card and we're done. So quite a simple card but really fun. I love the designer series paper. I think it just gives an extra, makes everything pop a little bit. So there you go. So those are the two cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information, as I said, everything's on the blog post. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.